I'm Stef Vastmans. I work at Topoff in Belgium, and we are using Operations Center here in Leuven with our milling machines to track data and to follow up our job sites more closely. So we are now milling this street here in Belgium, and right now the machine itself is collecting data on how much fuel it's using, how much water it's using, the progress of how much meters and tons it has milled, and everything gets sent to me so I can follow it up and see how far we are and what we can do next. Since we use Operations Center now, we can do a lot of things more efficiently and quicker. Normally we would finish the job site and then plan transport and new fuel, etc. And now we can do that on the job site while we are doing it. We are losing less time. Normally it's quite time heavy, so we have to complete the job site and then do everything. And now we can follow it up as it's going along, so that at the end of the day we have done things more efficiently and quicker.
My name is Tom Vastmans. We're in Houthalen, the Topoff. Topoff is a milling company. It was established in 2011. We're using milling machines. We have about 25, depending on big and small ones. We have a nice mix of all of those, so we can perform all the sizes that are needed for our clients. Well, we started using Operations Center in the beginning of 2023. We use it to pinpoint the location of our machines, the fuel levels, the tools that are being used, the working mode. Well, the effects on the fleet's uptime is we can plan the maintenance better because we see the running time. And also when there's a problem, we can send a technician. It's very easy to locate the machine and send them there directly. Also for the fuel management, when we see that the fuel is getting low, we can time when it has to be refilled and where it has to be refilled. And in that way, we can use that information to our benefit to operate more efficiently.